Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a custom stainless steel stencil. This is actually stainless steel. It looks like it has paint on it because that's what it has. And the reason for the paint is we happen to get a sheet of stainless steel with industrial paint on it, and I wasn't sure what to do with it because a lot of the projects we do, you need to see the stainless steel. But in this case here, it's a stencil, and it doesn't really matter because you're putting paint and stuff over it anyways. So that's what we just end up using that sheet instead of the other sheets. Now the nice thing about stainless steel is that it's very corrosive resistant. This is 304 stainless steel. And for a lot of industrial processes, they actually paint over it to provide an additional layer of protection. And that's basically what you have here. So it's basically an overkill stencil made out of stainless steel. So what are the advantages of having a custom stencil like this, in this case here, made out of metal? The major advantage over, let's say, stickers or anything else out there is that unlike stickers, these will not fade, crack, or peel over time. You can spray paint whatever you want onto the surface, and if it ever wears out or whatever like that, it's not a big deal just to respray paint the surface and you have basically a new marking. The reason to go with custom is that we can have anything you want on there. So if you want barcodes, you want, in this case here, a logo and a phone number, you want anything very specific to your application, we can make that for you. The other nice thing about spray paint is you have unlimited colors. So let's say you wanted some things to be yellow, some things to be red, and so forth, just for more visibility when you're doing the shipping. Let's say you have some stuff that has to go freight, some stuff has to go, next day, some stuff has, or is hazardous or what have you. Just a couple of stencils, you could basically mix and match however you want for all your shipping purposes, and it works perfectly. The other nice thing about a metal stencil like this here is that it's indestructible. So you're not going to be breaking it. If it falls on the floor, there's no damage whatsoever to it. So there's actually 3 different processes we could have made this with. We ended up using the laser because it's already there. But we also have the water jet that can cut stainless steel like this, not a problem at all. And we also have a plasma cutter. Now the reason the plasma cutter was sort of out of the possibility of using for this was because you have some very sharp lettering. See? And this kind of stuff here would be a little bit rounded using the plasma because it has a kerf of around 1/16 to 1/8 depending on the thickness of the material. And basically we wanted everything nice and sharp. So that let, just water jet and fiber laser to cut it out. The gauge of this is 12 gauge. It's just stainless steel. So if you're looking for custom stencils, any size, any shape, any material, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.